What you see are the best images I can get on an iPhone. On September 1st, a little after 10 p.m., anticipating the arrival of Hurricane Dorian. You can see little reflections of light. Maybe I should get a better camera to record this. You're looking up at the sky right now. In Melbourne, Florida, we wait as 185-mile-an-hour Dorian rips through the Bahamas. There's been a change in the wind patterns. You can feel a change in the air as something's going on. Will the storm come directly to us? Or will it skirt us like old ones have? I told someone Wednesday that I thought it was going to go north, turn north, head between Savannah, Georgia, and Charleston, South Carolina. Now those areas are preparing as we wait and wait. And spaghetti models don't give us a 100% definite location of where it is going. And the winds slowly give us a little gust and then pause as we wait and wait for this hurricane. You can't even hardly see. There's clouds in the distance. Thin clouds. And already they seem to be circling the outer periphery of that low pressure system. That low pressure system with its counterclockwise circulation, making its way right now, we're told, to the west. Could it impact Florida? Could it impact north of here? Who knows what will steer it? We'll hear in an hour from the National Hurricane Center where their next thoughts are for where this storm is going to go. As for now, we wait in the darkness. Oh, there's light available. The electricity is still on. We still can watch the television and power our devices and stay connected. But soon that all may be lost. Soon it all may be thrust into the darkness of the Middle Ages for some time. In 2004, we lost power for 10 days at my house. Will we lose power again? I can see an airplane overhead. Again, the camera on this iPhone sucks. I cannot zoom into the airplane. I've zoomed in as much as I can. You may be able to see a faint light in the air, but I can see the plane clearly moving. By this time tomorrow, planes will be avoiding this area. There will be no planes traveling in the skies. Only the hurricane hunters. And by then, they may not continue on their missions, for there will be enough information gathered locally on this storm. This storm that is nature's transfer of energy. I don't understand all the science, and I can't pretend to. But what I can tell you is some sort of heat transfer that happens from the lower latitudes of our planet. And it's transferring the heat to a more northerly spot to try to balance the atmosphere. And so we wait for the hurricane, and we wait.